Hey y'all. So this week I'm taking some much needed time off to rest and relax and restore myself for the new year. And I hope that you're getting to do the same, at least to some extent. But I wanted to just pop in and just remind you about the free 60-minute Somatics of Belonging workshop that I'm hosting on January 12th. That's a Monday, 5:30 to 6:30 p.m. Eastern Time. In this free 60-minute workshop, you are going to learn signs you have a belonging wound and how to heal it, what somatics is and why it's essential in decolonizing your body and reclaiming your sense of belonging, and how I help clients feel safe and empowered to go after the relationships, experiences, and life they want. Because I want you to boldly reclaim belonging as a mixed person in 2026, from the inside out and the outside in. And I'm so excited because when you register, you'll also get immediate access to this free bonus gift, my Belonging Wounds and Wisdom quiz. I have been working on this quiz for about 6 months. It's an enlightening tool that's going to show you where your system is still protecting your old pain, so wound, the places where you're already thriving, wisdom, and where your next growth edges are. And once you take the quiz, it's kind of like a map back to yourself so that you can amplify where you're shining and tend to the parts that need care. When you take the quiz, you can also email me your answers and I will respond with more information about like what working together could look like, and we can just kind of be in conversation about that. So I'm so excited. I've had many people take this quiz and they say that the answers are on point for them and feel super helpful. So yeah, make sure that you sign up. If you're feeling like you're not going to find belonging because you don't fit in anywhere, you're confused on how to claim your identities without sounding like a total imposter, and you're ready to free yourself from the armor that's been protecting you from rejection, then you need to know you don't need to be one thing to feel whole, and you don't need to fit in to find belonging. With a somatic approach, you can build an embodied sense of self trust and resilience that will allow you to be seen for all of who you are. So you can really find belonging. Belonging is not fitting in, it's being seen for the ways that you do and don't fit in. You're going to leave the workshop knowing that it's not your fault. You find it so hard to be seen. You're going to learn that you can be more present and grounded in different situations, including when you get triggered. And you will learn the shifts you need to make to be able to finally build a deep sense of belonging so that you can go after the life, the relationships, the experiences that you want. I can't wait to show you how and like share all the goodness with you. You can join us live or you can catch the replay after. Of course, I want you to attend live if you can. And yeah, save your spot today. The registration link is in the show notes, and I hope to see you there.